Imagine the taste of tender chicken, marinated in a mix of fragrant herbs and spices, then grilled to perfection. Picture it, bathed in the glow of a warm summer's day. The smoke from the grill rises, curling around the succulent piece of meat, enveloping it with a smoky flavor that's impossible to resist. Let the tantalizing aroma of grilling chicken fill the air, hinting at the culinary delight that awaits you. The chicken, in all its glory, is the star of our first recipe. The symphony of flavors that awaits you is no ordinary one. It's a melange of different elements, each playing its part to perfection. The smoky flavor dances with the tangy homemade barbecue sauce, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. This, my friends, is the magic of first recipe, grilled herb chicken with barbecue sauce. Now let's embark on this flavorful journey together. First, gather the following ingredients for the marinade: fresh rosemary, thyme, olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. These ingredients are simple, but they are the backbone of our marinade. The fresh herbs lend a fragrant aroma and earthy flavor to the mix, while the olive oil gives it a rich, luxurious texture. The minced garlic, salt, and pepper work wonderfully together, enhancing the flavor of the chicken and bringing it to new heights. Combine these ingredients in a bowl, mixing them until they form a fragrant paste. Rub this generously over the chicken, ensuring every inch is coated. Let the chicken rest, allowing the flavors to really seep into the meat. This step is crucial, as it allows the marinade to penetrate deep into the chicken, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. While the chicken is marinating, let's move on to the barbecue sauce. Combine ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and a dash of hot sauce in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir the ingredients together, letting them come to a gentle simmer. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens into a beautiful tangy barbecue sauce that promises to be the perfect accompaniment to your grilled chicken. Now comes the moment of truth. Fire up your grill and place the chicken on it. Watch as the flames lick the chicken, cooking it to golden perfection. As it cooks, baste it with your homemade barbecue sauce, letting the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a meal that's both healthy and satisfying. Now we're progressing to our second recipe, quinoa salad with fresh veggies. Today, we are going to explore the art of cooking with health and flavor in mind. First, we'll begin by cooking our main ingredient, quinoa. Nutritious grain is popular for its high protein content and nutty taste. To cook it, simply follow the instructions provided on the packaging. It usually involves rinsing, adding water, and boiling for a specific amount of time. While our quinoa is simmering on the stovetop, we'll then move on to our vegetables. A key aspect of this dish is the vibrant mix of fresh produce. We want of textures and colors here, so really let your creativity shine. Consider bell peppers in different shades of red, orange, and yellow, fresh and crisp cucumbers that offer a refreshing bite, ripe and juicy tomatoes that explode with sweetness, and crunchy carrots that provide a satisfying crunch. Next, we'll be creating a light and zesty dressing. To do this, we'll whisk together lemon juice, a perfect balance of tartness and sweetness, and olive oil, a staple in healthy cooking, known for its heart-friendly benefits. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavors and give it that extra zing. The final involves mixing all the ingredients. This is where the magic happens, as the quinoa, vegetables, and dressing come together to form a beautiful salad symphony. Then comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Mix everything together, and voila! A salad that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Let's not forget about breakfast. We're moving forward to our third recipe, which is an all-time favorite, a simple yet nourishing banana and berry smoothie. This delightful mix is not just quick to prepare, but also nourishes your body with essential nutrients. The ingredients you'll need include a ripe banana that is not only a rich source of fiber, but also contains several antioxidants that are good for your health. Next on list, a cup of mixed berries. These tiny little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that can help improve your health, protect your skin and hair, and prevent certain diseases. The tangy mixed berries will also give your smoothie a delicious and refreshing twist. Add in a spoonful of yogurt, a probiotic food that is excellent for gut health. It adds a creamy texture to your smoothie, making it even more appetizing. Next, add almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that is low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. It adds a hint of sweetness and makes your smoothie richer and creamier. For an additional punch of nutrition, throw in a handful of spinach. This leafy green vegetable is high in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for your overall health. Add all these ingredients into the blender and blend until the mixture turns into a smooth and creamy delight. Watch as the colors of the berries and spinach beautifully swirl together. It takes just a few minutes to prepare and voila, you have a delectable breakfast that's packed with vitamins and fiber. Our fourth recipe, an enchanting culinary journey, is the universally appealing and heartwarming vegetable soup. This dish, the epitome of comfort food, begins its journey in a fairly large, heavy-bottomed pot. Here, we toss in a trio of aromatic ingredients: pungent onions, sweet carrots, and crunchy celery. We don't just add them in, we sauté them gently, with the flame set at a medium setting, till they're golden and shimmering in a generous drizzle of the finest, most robust olive oil. As they bathe in the oil, their colors meld, their flavors intermingle, creating a fragrant base that envelops the kitchen in a comforting aroma. Then, we introduce the next characters to this culinary story, the chopped tomatoes and bell peppers. Freshly diced, they are colorful, juicy, and vibrant. Their presence in the pot adds a layer of tangy sweetness that balances the earthiness of the trio. Next, your choice of beans make their grand entrance. Be it kidney beans, chickpeas, or cannellini, they bring their own unique texture and taste to this comforting soup. Once they've been duly introduced, we pour in the broth, a liquid gold that carries the essence of numerous vegetables. It's like introducing a symphony of flavors that dances around in the pot, bubbling away merrily. Our final touch comes in the form of seasoning, a sprinkle of salt and ground from their whole form just before they're added. Then your favorite herbs, the ones that you reach out for instinctively when you want to add that extra touch of love to your cooking. We let the entire ensemble simmer, the flavors slowly infusing, the ingredients softening, until the vegetables are tender, the broth flavorful. This soup, my dear viewers, is comfort in a bowl, full of nutrients and flavors. It's not just our fourth recipe, it's a saga of flavors and warmth that we're delighted to share with you. At long last, the journey concludes with our magnificent fifth recipe, pan-seared salmon with lemon butter sauce. We begin this culinary endeavor by selecting a premium salmon fillet. Sprinkle it lovingly with a delicate balance of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the naturally rich flavors of the salmon. Once seasoned, place the fillet into a sizzling hot pan lightly coated with a drizzle of aromatic olive oil. As the salmon hits the pan, you'll hear the satisfying sizzle, a symphony of cooking in action. Wait until the underside of the salmon transforms into a golden, crispy crust. This is the moment to flip it over, revealing the seared side to the world. Next, we venture into the creation of our sauce. In the very same pan that our salmon was seared, drop a dollop of creamy butter. Let it melt slowly, basking in the residual heat of the pan. Add minced garlic to the pool of melted butter. Sauté the garlic, releasing its pungent, mouth-watering aroma that permeates the kitchen. Now, it's time for the grand reveal of our lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze its tangy juice into the pan. The acidity of the lemon juice beautifully complements the richness of the butter. Next, in a handful of chopped parsley, adding a burst of freshness to the sauce. Stir everything together, allowing the diverse ingredients to meld into one harmonious sauce. As the final step, spoon this aromatic sauce generously over the perfectly seared salmon. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality dish that you can effortlessly craft in the comfort of your own kitchen. Those were 5 easy and fast meals to make, all healthy and filling. Each dish we've shared with you today is specially designed to be quick to prepare but doesn't skimp on nutrition or taste. We've carefully thought about the balance of flavors and textures, ensuring that each meal is both pleasing to the palate and easy on the stomach. We've made sure to include a wide variety of ingredients, so there's something for everyone, whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, a fan of spicy food, or someone who prefers milder flavors. The first meal, with its blend of fresh vegetables and lean protein, is perfect for those who are health conscious. The second dish, with its hearty grains and flavorful spices, is for those seeking comfort food that doesn't derail their diet. The third meal, a fusion of Eastern and Western flavors, will appeal to adventurous eaters with a penchant for trying new cuisines. The fourth dish, a modern twist on a classic recipe, shows you that traditional food doesn't have to be boring. And finally, the fifth meal, a dessert that's sweet and nutritious, proves that healthy food can also be indulgent. Remember, cooking is an art, and you, my dear viewers, are the artists. There's no one-size-fits-all way to cook. It's all about experimenting and discovering what works for you. Mix and match ingredients, play around with spices, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. You might just stumble upon your new favorite dish. We hope you found these recipes helpful and that they inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and found our tips useful, do press the like button. Your support means the world to us. Also, forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our future videos. We have lots more great recipes and cooking tips lined up for you. Until next time, happy cooking!